Well, hello everybody and welcome to the Forex market analysis session. If you guys are new, my name is Alexander Nikitin. I am a professional trader and a developer of MPS software. Okay, in today's video I will analyze my whole portfolio of 19 pairs starting from Euro-Dollar and in Aussie New Zealand, and I will do the analysis from two perspectives. One of the perspectives is advanced pattern formations, and the second is harmonic patterns. So those of you who are advanced pattern traders will find something useful, and those of you who are harmonic traders will find something useful in this video as well. And if we have some time left, then I will show you my methods of execution and trade management. Basically, the trading routine with patterns consists of three parts: the identification, trade execution, and trade management. And all these three should be written down in your trading plan and back tested before you ever think of going trade these live. Okay, and now let us start. My identification is absolutely objective. I created a special software that is called an MPS5, and it simply draws the patterns, so I never think of that identification anymore. And well, many of you don't have this software, but you still want to learn the patterns well, so I created a special trading courses for you. Just go to www.ps-software.net and click this Learn the Patterns tab, and you will have all these patterns described in details. For example, this Gartley pattern, click on the picture and you will have the detailed trading course, the diagram of how it should look. Then you have identification rules, then you have trade execution rules and trade management rules. Of course, there are plenty of these rules and you should keep them all in mind. You should learn them by heart before you can do a back test or before you can do real-time trading. So and this identification part, it may be slightly difficult for you if you are a beginner, so it requires some practice. Well, everything requires practice. You need to practice more and more and more before you become skillful, before you become master in your field. Okay, here's the trading course. Let's go back to analysis. Well, the first pair is Euro-Dollar. I will simply switch the approaches. You can see the harmonic approach, and then I switch to advanced pattern approach, and we have nothing. On the left column we have the algorithms. I can switch between the price extreme, stochastic, RSI, commodity channel index, WPR, or I can even draw them manually. The algorithm draws these lines, and these lines are calculated and the ratios are compared, the predefined ratios of course, and the algorithms are predefined in settings of course. So it is very fine-tunable. You can see it from different perspectives. Why do I need many algorithms? Simply to see if the pattern is objective or not. These algorithms are pretty popular. Actually, I just coded the most popular algorithms that are used by majority of traders: wave traders, classic chart pattern traders, harmonic pattern traders, advanced pattern traders, and others. So it is an attempt to find an obvious pattern. A concept of an obvious pattern is something that when you see a pattern, make sure that it's not only you who sees this pattern. So if you see a pattern drawn by one algorithm, switching by other algorithms, you can see if other guys can see the pattern as well. So, and to my rules with this specific software, if 3 or 5 algorithms say that there is a pattern here, then it is an obvious one. Okay, hope you understood the rules. For example, we have this butterfly advance formation. with a completion 114.74. Let us switch to other algorithms, and you can see that this one was not, well, it is seen by 3: price extreme, commodity channel index, and willing percentage range. So it is seen by 3 of 5. If price goes to 114.74, then it may be a good buying opportunity here on 4-hour euro dollar. Okay, and let us switch to harmonic perspective. I think we need to enable a deep crab. The same situation will be here, but what was a butterfly according to advanced approach now turns into a deep crab pattern, and it is also supported by 3 out of 5 algorithms. Pretty obvious butterfly advanced formation, or pretty obvious deep crab pattern according to harmonic approach. This is it for euro dollar. Let me create a text document, and I will do the list. Today we have the 3rd of July, and Euro USD 4-hour, what was it? Butterfly crab. Okay, nice. Let's go next. I will move it here. Perfect. If we go to dollar yen, 1-hour harmonic patterns nothing, advanced patterns nothing, 4-hour advanced patterns nothing, harmonic patterns nothing. Switch to pound dollar, harmonic patterns nothing, maybe deep crab, and 4-hour, sorry, advanced patterns nothing as well, 4-hour advanced patterns and harmonic patterns. Okay, nothing here yet on pound dollar. Euro yen. On euro yen we have this bad harmonic pattern on 1-hour, potential bad harmonic pattern, and based on advanced approach we have nothing. If we switch to 4-hour, so nothing is setting up. As far as this bad go, let us switch to other algorithms, and you see all 5 algorithms can detect this bad. So let's type it: Euro JPY bad pattern. Euro JPY bad pattern. Maybe I will go and trade it to the downside if the B point is broken. Maybe it is called a BAM strategy for harmonic patterns. Okay, Aussie dollar 1-hour based on harmonic approach nothing, advanced approach nothing, and 4-hour advanced approach nothing, harmonic approach nothing. Pound yen 4-hour harmonic approach nothing, advanced approach nothing, 1-hour harmonic approach nothing, and advanced approach is nothing. Dollar Canadian, nothing here, and switch it. Nothing here, nothing here. Go to New Zealand, nothing and nothing, switch, nothing and nothing. Pound Aussie 1-hour, okay, and 4-hour, okay, nothing. Euro GBP, a potential godly harmonic pattern, and on with advanced pattern approach we have a godly formation as well. Okay, let us see if it is an obvious one. Detected as a bad Godly, Godly, and Godly. Well, pretty obvious pattern. Let us type Euro GBP 1 hour Godly, and it is seen by harmonic approach as well. Let's go 4 hour advanced approach, nothing. Harmonic approach, a butterfly pattern completed. Let us switch to see if other algorithms support that butterfly. 2. Okay, 2 of 5. Not enough for this butterfly. Not enough. Need additional confirmation. At least need additional confirmation. Okay, Euro GBP 4 hour. Let me type it. For our butterfly confirmation. 2 of 3 algorithms see it as a butterfly, 1 algorithm see it as a pattern. It simply depends on the starting point where you start drawing the pattern, and well, need a confirmation on 4 hour. Maybe Euro will drop today. Euro Aussie harmonic patterns, advanced patterns, potential cipher pattern. Let us switch to see if it is seen by other algorithms. No, it's not an obvious one. And 1 hour. So we had this Godly winner, harmonic and advanced. It was seen by both of them. Euro Aussie 1 hour and 4 hour. 4 hour was analyzed already. Aussie yen. So harmonic approach on 1 hour and advanced approach, nothing. Let's go 4 hour. Advanced approach and harmonic approach is nothing. Okay. Let us switch to Euro Canadian. Harmonic approach and okay, nothing here. Pound Canadian. 1 2 1 2. New Zealand yen 1 hour. Okay. 4 hour. Okay, nothing. Euro New Zealand 1 hour and 4 hour. Canada yen potential godly pattern. Okay, Canadian yen, see this godly pattern on 1 hour. Let us see if it is an obvious one. No, this starting point is not an obvious one. Okay, and 4 hour have nothing. Aussie Canadian and 4 hour had this cipher winner recently. Aussie New Zealand. Okay, have a cipher pattern, potential cipher pattern. Let us see if it is an obvious pattern. No, it is not. And on 4 hour we'll have nothing. So here's the list: Euro dollar 4 hour butterfly or deep crab, depending on your approach. Euro yen bat pattern, harmonic pattern. Euro GBP 1 hour godly for both approaches, either this or that. And Euro GBP 4 hour butterfly requires some confirmation because it's not an obvious one. Okay guys, here it is. High probability setups. All these setups are more than 60% correct. If they traded in this set and forget method, you saw that numbers between the let me show it to you. You saw this red number and this number, so between here and here you have a kind of potential zone, and if you place a stop loss here and you place your entry here, by itself the zone is 60% correct to hit 1/3, 1/4 of the total of the pattern, the first target of 382, rather than to hit this stop loss. So you can see majority of them win before they go to 382, at least before they go to hit this stop loss level, the invalidation level. Well, you can set your own invalidation level. It is not something that is rigid with my software. I like to use 113 based with butterfly patterns. I like to use 1618 stop loss with other patterns. What are the patterns? Alternative bets and alternative shocks. I like to use 114 stop loss. Sorry, 127 is an invalidation, but I place my stop loss at 114. They are Fibonacci based stop loss, but you can choose what kind of stop loss you want to use. You can use Fibonacci based, ATR based, or pips based. So every pattern has its invalidation point, and how far will you allow the pattern go beyond the invalidation point is still considered a valid pattern. What is your own buffer for that? It is up to you, and it should be based on your back testing. Some pairs require larger buffer, some pairs require smaller buffer, because some pairs are having large spikes, have more noise. Other pairs are a bit more calm and they move slower, and well, it all depends, and you should do the back test before you trade this. So what else? That's it about today. In my private group on TV, Trading View, I will consider these examples, and we will take one of them to trade during the day session. Well, now it is. Hope you like this video, so give me a thumbs up, share this video on social media. Until then, good luck and good trading. Hope to see you soon.